Hey guys, so today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get a Nike promo code. So basically you can get like your order completely free. So just go to ogsnags.com and type in Nike. And as you can see guys, it says Nike promo code. So 45 people were already on this today. So I would hurry up and get yourself on here. So press show coupon code and it's going to start loading. So once it loads up, just go ahead and press the button that says get full code. And then the final step is this verification thing. So what you got to do is download like 2 of these apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from official app stores. So like Evertail says down and run for 30 seconds. And then we got Underdog, which also says down and run for 30 seconds. So just make sure you download 2 of the apps, follow the instructions, and then you'll have your Nike promo code. So it's super cool, but I'm going to see you guys later. So if you do want to get stuff at Nike, you've got to try this out, because Nike's expensive and they're really just not worth it to pay full price. So I'm on the website right now, and as you can see, I don't really know how to use it, but we're just going to see if we can get this to load. So as you can see, $152, $170, these are expensive, bro. So if you guys do want to get stuff at Nike for free, all you have to do is go onto ogsnags.com. All right. And then just go to the search bar and type Nike, and then you will see it, and then you just press on it and you're good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later, but be sure to go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you want to get Nike promo code, then get free stuff on Nike. How can you complain when Nike is a overpriced website and you're getting it for free? So yeah, try it out guys. It's super awesome. I'm going to see you in another video, and peace out, my brothers.